Hello friends and welcome back. So this week we didn't really do much. I got a GoPro action camera, whatever you want to call it. So we basically just played with that all week, and the one thing that I could have recorded that would have been pretty funny, it was dark when we went and did that. So sorry about it. Yeah, and it's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to everybody out there who's a father and wow, holy shit.
They're nice.
So people keep setting off fireworks and the dogs really don't like it.
Hey, are you okay?
Gone. Oh, it's so sad.
She pokes her head. Is it safe?
Okay, so it's dark, but I just want you to see how large. What are these? Ah, I wish I could see.
Like me.
Push you?
What? Hey.
Got you. Hold on. Don't fall.
Yeah, don't kill us.
I can kind of see what's going on. Not really.
Oh gosh.
Alright, I think you fall again.
Yeah, it hurts my armpit.
Why are there no lights up here in this bitch? So are we doing the slides?
Guys. We're not playing.
Those look scary though.
I'm going with it.
I'm so scared. Like, these are so large.
This is dark. This is terrifying. Ah! Ow! My foot! Ah! Oh.
Are you walking down it? He fell on the ground. Here too. So hey guys, thanks for watching. If you made this through the whole entire video of me basically using a GoPro. Hey, there'll be more to come because we're doing some cool stuff, and this GoPro is gonna come in handy and it's gonna be bomb. Okay, bye.